Hi, this vlog is regarding tax season and bankruptcy. A lot of questions around this time of year, January through April, stem around taxes for good reason. A lot of people get refunds, or if you owe, you might be wondering how that would impact a bankruptcy. So, taxes with bankruptcy. Bankruptcy will discharge your debt tax liability free, meaning when you get your bankruptcy discharged, you cannot have like taxable income for the debt that you discharged with the case. If you just go through like a settlement with the creditor, if the creditor cancels debt for you, they can give you a 1099-C, and that's taxable income. When you do bankruptcy, though, they cannot do that. If you get a 1099-C after you file bankruptcy, you would want to look at doing like a 982 form on your taxes for sure. That just says like, hey, I filed bankruptcy. This is not taxable income because your bankruptcy had your debt discharged tax liability free. And then if you get a refund in bankruptcy, it's really going to depend on the case you filed, honestly. So with Chapter 7, you maybe could protect the whole refund. You might have some not protected part of your refund. You just want to speak with your attorney. Chapter 13, if it's tax that you had before filing, you might be able to pay it off through your plan or have to pay it off through your plan depending on the year. Or possibly it could be discharged. It kind of just depends. So you want to just stay in touch with your attorney if you have questions like post bankruptcy or right before filing with like refund specifically, or if you owe. But again, bankruptcy will discharge your debt tax liability free. You can't, you don't have to report it as income, taxable income after you file the bankruptcy for whatever debt you have discharged. And again, you might have to do a 982 form if you get a 1099-C. I always advise my clients, I'd reach out to like a tax preparer if you start getting 1099-Cs after the discharge, or like an accountant. But if you have questions about bankruptcy, if you are interested in bankruptcy, we do these vlogs weekly. We have a lot of actual blogs on our website. Give our video a like, give our channel a subscribe, and then if you are in North Dakota or Minnesota, we offer free consultations. So if you want to look at your situation, if you just have questions or seeing if bankruptcy would be a good fit, give us a call. Thank you.